Why does your scanner show the P06A7 engine code? What does it mean? P06A7 is a diagnostic trouble code for sensor reference voltage B circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that the problem with the 5-volt reference voltage circuit that is supplied to various engine sensors. This circuit is crucial for accurate sensor readings, and a malfunction can lead to various drivability issues. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty sensors, wiring issues, ECM or PCM issues, blown fuses or relay problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Ford vehicles, particularly the Ford Fusion and Ford Focus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.